Hey, hello. My name is Leah, also known as Leah the Creative, and you guessed it, I'm here to bring you yet another brown sugar box by Izzy and Liv. You ready? I know you're ready. But first, cheers to life. You don't know what is in my cup, but there's joy in my cup. It's overflowing. All right, and I normally would show y'all the box, but this one went through a little hard time in shipping, so we're gonna just use your imagination. It's about what's inside, okay? Hold please. We're gonna, All right, we're gonna open it up. Y'all, it's giving green, it's giving health is wealth, it's giving lots of earthy vibes, so I'm already excited. So for this one we got, let's see, Sacred Wellness, Top 10 Green Sustainable Living and Vibe Check Questionnaire. Cute. Y'all wanna see, don't y'all? Y'all gotta get your own box. It looks like this one for this month is valued at $120. Quit playing. You know, we out here. Look at, oh, this is the one. Green Sustainable Living. Get creative with your clothes. Well, I love that one. I can definitely vouch for that. Gift experiences, use technology, give back, go thrifting. Oh my God, this list is for me. So if you want to know more about all the gems that are inside the actual magazine, you gotta get the box. But while you're here, I'll go ahead and go through my box just for you, okay? So you can know what you're missing out on or what you have to look forward to if you have not received your box yet. Let's get into it, okay? Are you thirsty in the best way? You know, a health and wellness way. We're gonna relax. What is it? Relax, relax, relate, and release, honey. Release. I love it. And this is what you can hydrate. You can put some fruits in here. Obviously water, whatever you want, whatever your vibe is. We're not here to judge, but this is all about wellness. This is super cute. I love the color green because it's shiny and good health. Win-win. All right, we'll put her to the side. What do we have next? Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? Let's look at it. I have no idea. Open her up. Hold on, before we get into it, look at this. How cute is that? So let me back up. Hold on. Oh, sis said yoga. Oh my God. And my tooth doesn't. Look at this. I've never seen a yoga mat like this. Is this what this is? Is this the yoga mat, y'all? Yeah. So the yoga mat is not only amazing, but it also comes with the little storage bag. First of all, my crazy tail self wants to make this a dress. Is that like what? Don't mind me, okay? Okay, what do we have here? Oh. So not only are you gonna be well taken care of because you're taking care of yourself because you're well, you're going to be fashionable while you're at it. This has all the makings of greatness. So you've got your cute little rhinestone situations, pearls, this nice satin ribbon. This is luxe, it's fun, and you've got two different options. You can put it on your keys or you can dress your bag up. Super cute. So cute. Oh my God. Okay, so we've got that, and you got even so many ways to carry all your things. So we've got a nice little canvas bag. You can put your groceries in here. You can put all the things I've showed you thus far in here, so you can have everything ready to go in your little canvas tote. We love. Of course, the graphics are everything. You already knew that. Izzy and Liv, they don't miss. Last but never least, would it even be Izzy and Liv that didn't give you some type of apparel? Would it even be a brown sugar box if you didn't have a t-shirt or something great to wear to show off how amazing you are? Look at this. I feel zen. I feel well. I feel connected. Now I feel like These are adorable. Again, I love how they think of everything. They think of, okay, you want to dress comfy, you want to look good. I even like the kind of minty green that this is. You got your bag to put everything in. You have your yoga mat that I'm adorning as a skirt because I'm a creative. And you've got this really cute water bottle. I think it comes in different colors, so I'm not sure which one you're gonna get, but I got green that says relax, relate, release. And this cute keychain that is just so adorable. I mean, what have they missed? They haven't missed anything because they don't. They don't do that. But you will miss out if you don't subscribe. Sign up to get all the boxes. I promise you, you will not be sorry. They just keep getting better and better. And don't you deserve the best? I think you do. All right, that's it for me. Again, I'm Leah, also known as Leah the Creative, and I want you to join me and all the other amazing subscribers to continuously get joy in a box every month with the Izzy and Liv Brown Sugar Box. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Enjoy your day.